Baby! Baby!
Hey, you comfy there? You got your own seat?
Our first swimming pool in America. They have jacuzzi. It's warm. Oh wow. Really good. Everly is ready to jump. This is same size as me. It's 4 feet and 6. I think same 4 feet. Whoa. Which one you want to jump? This is our first swimming pool in America.
Want to try it? Good thing it's indoors.
Yeah?
It's still winter time.
You have heater? Good. Ready to jump? Where do you want to go?
Well, let's go to the pool.
Oh, it's boiling?
It's boiling.
I mean, there's bubbles. To clean? Or what, soap?
Yeah, clean yourself while you're here.
Wow. You jump here.
You can turn the bubbles off too.
Ah, so there's bubbles. How, okay, 3 feet is not bad.
It doesn't feel too hot. But it's nice. First we're going to the pool. You get kind of cold. And then go hot.
Yeah. Everly.
Everything's not going to go hot tub. She can go to the pool.
Yeah, okay. She's ready, I think.
Alright, she's excited. Here she goes. Ooh, it's not that cold at all. It's actually nice.
Everly. Paddle.
Wow.
That's gonna shovel snow.
You can get lost in there. You never find you. Yeah, especially right here. If you ever go close to somebody and it starts to get warmer, the nearer you get to the person.
Yeah, I know. It means Everly is peeing.
In some pools, they have a certain type of like chlorine.
Yeah.
And if you do go to the bathroom in the pool, it turns it like purple.
Oh.
So people know.
No, that's the trick.
Yeah.
Here comes Lolo.
1, 2, 3.
Everly is supposed to be done swimming. Hey, madam. Princess Everly is eating while watching Moana.
Yeah, can you see that?
Wow. You look very comfy, huh?
Need anything else? Need a drink? Need a spa day? Need your nails done?
You need wine, mom? Tequila?
Man, I'm jealous.
She got a whole bed. I think we're gonna sleep on the floor.
There's no room for me.
Hey, you're a good climber. Oops. Wow. Good job. Breakfast time?
Yeah.
You eating turkey?
The Filipino squat, eating some breakfast.
Yep.
I can't do that anymore. Oh. Is it tasty?
Who needs a chair and table? Hey, hello.
Good day of shopping?
Hi. She's happy seeing her diaper. And Cheerios.
Our two favorite things in the world. Whoa, whoa.
Oh.
Wow.